Here at BRECOflex, we want you to know that we've got your back. This is Linatex. Linatex is a red, natural rubber with a hardness of 35 short A and a coefficient of friction of 1.1. Linatex is lap bonded to our polyurethane timing belt with a strong adhesive and is recommended for unidirectional conveying. Our strong steel, stainless steel, or Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy you need for reliable conveying. Linatex is a popular belt back for conveying many types of materials when friction is important. It features good temperature range, excellent wear and tear resistance, versatility for many applications. It is resistant to fats and oils, and is highly machinable. BRECOflex offers over 3 dozen different backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance determining the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.